Hey, it's me, Duncan, and welcome back to another JDA tutorial. Today we are going to take a look at a now playing command. So to achieve this now playing command, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a new Java class in our music package, and we're gonna name this now playing command. This of course implements command, and it overrides the methods that we need. The invoke is going to be np for now playing, and in the help we're gonna say shows the currently playing track. So first of all, we're gonna grab the text channel, player manager, music manager, and the player itself. There are these things. Once we have everything imported, we're gonna check if the player is actually playing anything. So to do that, we're gonna say if player.getPlayingTrack is equal to null. We're gonna return, and we're gonna send a message channel.sendMessage, and we're gonna say the player is not playing any song. After this, we're going down and we're gonna get the audio track info. So audio track info is equal to player.getPlayingTrack.getInfo. Next up, we're gonna send an embed to the channel. So channel.sendMessage embed utils.embed message. Gonna queue this off, and instead of a normal message, we're gonna say string.format. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a format that we can insert variables in, so our code looks a bit cleaner. So first of all, in bold text, we're gonna say playing, and then we're gonna say probably the song name and link to the song. Then we're gonna do a new line, and we're gonna insert insert an icon, which is the paused icon or the playing icon. After that, we're gonna do a space, and we're gonna say a string and a hyphen and another string. So this is our format. So basically this is what we are currently making. The embed says playing, the song with the YouTube link, and we're gonna see the current time and the total time. So this is a format that we will end up eventually. So for that, what we will do is we're gonna give arguments. So info.title, info.URI, and now I'm gonna copy paste something from my other screen, which is player that is paused. We're gonna get the pause icon, which is Unicode, or the play symbol for Unicode. Next up, we need a method which is called formatTime, which I'm just gonna copy paste. Let's just import the time unit real quick. What you can do is just pause and type it over. I'm not gonna explain how this works because I just ripped this off the internet. But what we can do with this method, we can say that we are going to format the time for the playing track position and duration. And once we've done that, we basically already have our embed as it should be. All that's left to do now is register the command. So add command new now playing command. And that's it for this episode. So let's try it out and see the results. So what we can do right now is make our bot join the channel and play something that I found online on YouTube. So currently the track is playing and I skipped ahead in the track while listening to it. So if we do j_np, we see It's currently at 45 seconds, and the total song is 2 minutes and 23 seconds. And you see the title and that's playing. So that was it for this episode. If you liked this video, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, leave suggestions in the comments for upcoming episodes, and I'll see you guys in 2 weeks with another video. Bye!
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature. I wrote the song, but I am the messenger. Through the metropolis, there is no stopping this. Flowers and kisses, yeah. I heard you like chocolate. Light up the candle.